Hey guys, so today is April 9th, 2018, and my mom, not that bad. My mom hit her car. It's really not that bad. Like, she got into an accident, and it's not that bad, to be honest. Like, there's just like this thing right here, this thing, oh, okay, So here's some pictures of my mom's car after they took off like the front part. So here's some clips of me in the rental car. It was a Ford Fusion. It had black seats and a really cool sunroof. The outside color was black and it was super shiny and super cute. The only bad thing about this car was that my mom thought that the ride was not smooth enough for her. So yeah. So we're looking at cars. So the red one over there was one of the options. That's a Tucson, I think. And then where's the other one, Mom? And then, wait. So this one and that one are options. I think she is going for this one.
Yeah.
Right? What's that one?
Tucson's.
So, oh, but what's the difference?
It's
a different year?
miles.
Oh, okay. Oh. Wow.
So how about that one?
Yeah, that's fine. That looks cool. So here are some pictures that my mom took of while she was car shopping. Here's this one. I don't know what this is. This one and this one. Hey guys, today is Thursday and we got a new car, so let me see my reaction. What type is this? A Volkswagen? It's a Tiguan. What? It's actually really nice. I like it. It's cool looking. What type of car is that, Daddy? Is it a Volkswagen? I think so. Hey Chipmunk, so these are some pictures of my mom's brand new 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. So here's the steering wheel, the radio part. Here's the priest blessing the car. Here's the front, super chic. And it's white, and as you can see, it's a small SUV, just like she wanted. The front interior and the back interior.